Hi everyone, welcome to this week's weekly update where I want to talk to you about the new air treatment range from Metalwork Pneumatic called the Syntesi units. The Syntesi range is a new range of air treatment units such as filters, regulators, lubricators, dump valves, pressure switches and so on, to add to their already large existing range of the New Deal and the Skill Air units, and even down to the 1/8 1/4 bit units. But they've introduced a new range called the Syntesi. It's a very competitive range but covers everything. And today I want to show you some examples of the new range. So things such as the shut-off valves starting at 1/8 inch BSP right up to 1 inch BSP. Very high flows. The bodies are made from technopolymer, so they're very robust. You can get them with a flush port, threaded port, but I also like the idea of the rotary fitting on the side. So if you're mounting it onto maybe a ring main or steel solid piping, the actual fitting turns so you don't have to turn the pipe. So very useful. As standard with all the regulators and filter regulators, and I know with some competitors you have to pay for this extra, they have a padlock little latch as standard, so you can set the pressure. Where there's something to adjust, people will adjust it. But with the Syntesi range, you can set your pressure, pull out the little slot steel plate on the side and throw a little padlock on it, where nobody can adjust it. Each unit, whether it's a filter, a regulator or whatever, shows you the flow, shows you the airflow direction, and we can get them with or without automatic drain, so a manual drain on the filters or with an automatic drain, and also active carbon filters. So your standard filter might be maybe a 5 micron or a 20 micron filter, but Metalwork also cover a range of active carbon filters, so 0.01 micron, so really fine filtration. There's a full range available in section 5 of the Flowmax catalogue, or you can go online flowmax.ie or contact the sales team on 0145 68 111 for all your air preparation needs. Thank you.